Welcome to Understanding Art, a simple guide. Today, we'll explore the beautiful world of art together. Art is all around us. It's in the paintings we see, the music we hear, and the stories we read. Art is a part of being human. So, what is art? Art is a way people express their feelings, ideas, and stories. We use colors, shapes, sounds, and movements to create something meaningful. Art comes in many forms. There's visual art like painting and sculpture. There's music that touches our hearts. Dance that moves our bodies. And literature that feeds our minds. Visual art is what we can see. Paintings bring colors to life on canvas. Sculptures give us three-dimensional beauty. And drawings capture moments with simple lines. Music speaks to our souls through sounds and rhythm. Dance tells stories through graceful movements. Both connect us to our emotions in powerful ways. Literature uses words to paint pictures in our imagination. Stories and poems transport us to different worlds. Theater and movies bring these stories to life before our eyes. Art has been with us since the beginning of time. From prehistoric cave paintings to today's digital creations, art has evolved alongside humanity. Our ancestors created the first art thousands of years ago. They painted on cave walls to tell stories, show animals, and express their beliefs. Ancient Greece and Rome gave us classical art. They created beautiful statues and buildings that celebrated balance, beauty, and the human form. The Renaissance was a rebirth of art in Europe. Masters like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo created timeless masterpieces that still inspire us today. In the late 1800s, artists began experimenting. They created new styles like Impressionism and abstract art, breaking traditional rules. Today's art uses technology and new materials. Street art, digital creations, and installations show us that art is constantly evolving. Why is art important? Because it helps us express what words cannot. It connects different cultures. It makes our world more beautiful and meaningful. Every piece of art is made up of basic elements: color, line, shape, texture, space, form, and value. These are the building blocks of creativity. Color is powerful. It can make us feel happy, calm, excited, or sad. Artists carefully choose colors to create the perfect mood. Lines guide our eyes and create patterns. They can be straight or curved, thick or thin. Lines give structure to art. Shapes are flat and two-dimensional, like circles and squares. Forms are three-dimensional, like spheres and cubes. Together, they create depth and interest. Texture is how art feels, or looks like it would feel. Rough, smooth, soft, or hard. Texture adds realism and makes art come alive. Throughout history, certain artists have changed the world. They showed us new ways to see, think, and feel. Leonardo da Vinci was a genius. He painted the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. But he was also an inventor and scientist who saw art in everything. Frida Kahlo was a Mexican artist who painted her pain and passion. Her colorful self-portraits show us the power of personal expression. Pablo Picasso revolutionized art with Cubism. He showed us that we could see things from many angles at once. His work challenged how we view reality. Art has the power to change society. It can inspire peace, spark revolutions, and preserve history. Art gives voice to the voiceless. Every culture has its own unique art. These artistic traditions keep our heritage alive and help us understand each other better. Art touches us personally too. It can heal our hearts, calm our minds, and help us understand ourselves and others more deeply. How can you enjoy art more? Look carefully at the details. Notice how it makes you feel. Learn the story behind the artwork. Let yourself be moved. Art isn't just in museums. It's in the clothes we wear, the buildings we see, the movies we watch. Art is woven into our daily lives. You don't need to be a master to create art. Pick up a brush, play an instrument, write a poem. Express yourself freely. There are no rules in creativity. Remember, art is everywhere and means something different to everyone. It helps us express, connect, and enjoy life. Famous artists inspire us, and art shapes our culture. Thank you for joining this journey through the world of art. Keep exploring, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in everything around you. Until next time, stay inspired.